What's up, you guys? So, for today, I am going to share with you how to monetize Instagram account. All right, so first we have to open up Instagram. Now, go to your profile, tap on the three lines on the upper right corner, and tap on settings. So, here, tap on business. So the first thing you have to do is to check if you are qualified for monetization. So you can do that by clicking on monetization status. And here it says you're eligible for monetization. So let's go back. So what that means is you can actually set up your brand content, and also you can also connect or create a Facebook page. If you have business in Facebook, you can connect that Facebook page in here. And also, you can also set up a shop. So in that way, you can drive traffic to your shop through Instagram. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.